In today's video, I have a small haul from Stylevana. I bought it with 50% off, so let's get started. I repurchased one of my favorites. So this one is by Kose Softymo and it's deep cleansing oil. It's one of the best cleansing oil that I ever used. And I tried very expensive ones like Salwasu, Korean luxurious brand, and I also tried Dermalogica. Nothing can beat this one, and it was also very cheap. I think you can buy 250 milliliters or 230 milliliters for like less than $15 even, and I got it 50% off promotion from Stylevana. Next one is by Hatomugi sunscreen, and what I love about Stylevana is that they put stickers with expiration dates. So in this case it will be expiring 2025. Like YesStyle doesn't do that, and most of the Japanese product it's very hard to find when the expiration day, so it's also very hard to say if it's fresh batch or not. So I saw that many people rave about this sunscreen. It's 250 milliliters and it was also good deal. I think it has like a few chemical filters, I think like 3 or 4, although it's PA+++, only 3 pluses, but I'm going to use it on the body because sometimes what I use on the face is not good for the body because it can be too dry or too sticky or too crazy. Next one is by Dr.Ceuracle Vegan Kombucha Tea Essence, 150 milliliters. This one cost around $30 and with 50% it was around $15. So I still have like a half of this bottle. It's a Milky toner. It separates into 2 layers. So on the top is Milky layer and at the bottom it's more like just a toner, kombucha toner, and then after you shake it, it's going to be all combined. I love to use this in winter, in spring, and even in summer sometime instead of other skincare products as well. Even it can substitute moisturizer. I had to try a DHC lip cream. This one is expiring in 2025, so I'm not going to open it right now, but I got messages from a few people saying that this is amazing lip balm, lip cream for lips, and also K-Beauty Hobbit, which is Lucy, said that this is amazing lip balm for her lips, so I'm very excited to try this one. Another recommendation from Lucy is a SCINIC Enjoy Superactive Air Sunstick. As she said that this is very good for outdoor activities. She used it on the hiking and in very hot days. She reapplied her sunscreen with this stick, and I have really high hopes. I think there is a bigger size of this stick. I got a smaller one. I think smaller size is around $10, but again with 50% off I got like half price. Then another sunstick that I got is also a new one by Thank You Farmer, and it's Sun Project Silky Calming Sunstick. As far as I know that this one is opaque sunscreen stick, which means that it's not going to be crazy or oily, so it's going to be more natural finish. So I'm very excited to try this one. I hope it's going to work with my skin, so I'm not sure when I'm going to open it, maybe not soon, but it's expiring 2024. And also a friend of mine, another skincare enthusiast, talked about this sunstick before, and I was very intrigued to try it as well. Stylevana had a tiny mystery gift. This one is by Haru Wonder, Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. Tried one product from Haru. It was a hyaluronic cream in like a rice shape, and it was not very convenient to use, but yeah, I always open to trying new samples, new minis as well. And also I have a sample by Frudia. I haven't tried Frudia before. I have actually their sunscreen in my stash still. I think they repackaged it. So Frudia is actually a K-Beauty brand, but which is not sold in Korea, which is sold mostly abroad, for your information. And then I also got the period pads. Next time I have period, and if I are going to have back pain or stomach ache or anything, I'm going to try this one. And everything is Japanese, but it's supposed to be like a heating patch that you put for a few hours on your tummy, and it's going to relieve some pain while using these. So this is all very quick unboxing of my Stylevana order, which I received like, I don't know, quite a while ago, and I was postponing how to do the unboxing. So I hope you get some recommendation, because this is my favorite things and some new good things as well to try. So I'm going to list those products in my description of the video, and I'll see you in the next video, and bye bye.